Hey everybody, we are here at the South Hanover Street Car Wash in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Yeah, there was a truck in somewhere where you could go to the soft cloth tunnel, but it's open. What the heck, people? You're crazy. This is it right here. So, oh my gosh. So there are vintage dryers, everybody. Side dryers, top dryers. There's pipes too. So, but I did see something very interesting. I saw a Sonny's knitter. So we are going to get our wash and see what we got. Obviously there's vacuum in the beginning. Actually, let me do this. Let me say this. There's Express, Deluxe, and Super. I'm not sure. Let's see. Express. You know, because this is an old car wash, I do want to get the Express. But if I see something more interesting, like a new function for the car wash, then I'll get like the Deluxe for 15. But Super for 25, too much. And we are going to get either, yeah, the Express or Deluxe. So stay tuned, everybody, and this is going to be a really cool car wash. For also the dryers, I'll try my best, but the car wash is very small, and I'm not sure what to expect. So, if I don't make any pictures from the outside, I will do my best to screenshot as much as I can to give you guys the best content possible. If the content is not the best, I will try to come back here at any point in time. And holy cow, this is a Sherman tunnel. This is going to be amazing, everybody. So everybody, I'd like to say hello to a Sherman / Sonny's tunnel with the original Sherman dryers that do not contour, however. So we are about to go in, and I will stop talking as this is the experience now. Alright, that's it, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.